Welcome to Bebefinn, where logos go wild and creativity. We specialize in mind-bending visual and audio effects that twist nostalgia into something completely new. If you love creative edits, tricky distortions, and pure fun chaos, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop. This channel is powered by our amazing community of logo effect lovers, remixers, and nostalgia-fueled editors, keeping the art of logo editing alive and thriving. Now let's dive in. I absolutely adore the Klasky Csupo 2000s. They share nostalgia to the way that classic 2000s glitches and pulses with distorted audio and pitch-shifted echoes. Unreal. It's like watching a living glitch, a surreal distortion. From G major variations and conga busher to wild combos like Saga X plus from the Ultra Extended series. The logo editing of these effect lists are a total goldmine. Stuff like Devil's Blast plus G major 4 or Pizza effect pushes creativity to new extremes. And don't even get me started on the gamavision super effects, so clean surface. The Banapples compilation alone is a visual symphony. Normal, cover coding, confusion, inverted, reverse plus picture, Power City 90, Diamonds, Sponge 2.0, and so many more.